Adobe Firefly is a lot more than most people think. And in this series, we are going to use every bit of it. Welcome to Prompted. This series is sponsored by Adobe, so thank you guys. This is episode 1 where we figure out what exactly is Adobe Firefly. My name is Divyeshu, and over the next 6 episodes, I'm going to make a complete cinematic film from start to finish only using Adobe Firefly. No camera, no crew, just a small studio. Also, if you're using Adobe Suite or any of the Adobe apps, you might already have those AI credits. Do check it out. And let's get started. So when you start Adobe Firefly for the first time, this is the interface that you will see. You can see right here, describe what you want to generate. If you want to create images, we have a lot of image models here. Firefly, GPT-2, Nano Banana Pro 2, Flux, ideogram, etc. Select the aspect ratio that you want, and you can just click generate. Also, there is video here. And the video models here are Firefly Video, VO3, Kling is now here. You can have multiple aspect ratios, and then you also have an option to create first frame and end frame. And then you hit generate. A lot of options on the left side. We have create, generate boards, which is really interesting. AI assistant, which is very promising. Production, quick actions, your stuff, custom models, gallery, etc. Here, if I go down, quick shortcuts, it says image, video. It also lets you edit video. It's still in beta, but we will test it out. These are some quick start ideas if you want to just do it something quickly. The best part about Adobe Firefly is, like, when you're trying to make a cinematic film, you need a script, you need images, you need to create videos, also audio. We will also be making an audio, like a soundtrack, in the app itself. Pretty cool, huh? Now, the way I like to work with Firefly is using boards. Think of boards as an infinite canvas, and you can just sort your images, videos really neatly and properly. So it becomes easier when you edit those at the end. So this is Firefly Boards. You can see the interface. It's like a very huge canvas. You have a couple of tools over here, and there are 2 tabs, generate image and generate videos. As we build the teaser across the next 6 episodes, you will see exactly how useful this is to keep, everything sorted in one place. Let's create an image, right? I go to generate image. I select my model. For this model, I'll be using Nano Banana 2, and prompt is man sitting in a cafe, right? I want a landscape. Yes. I think let's generate. So this is a very simple prompt. Let's see what it gives us. So we got this image, which is nice, but I feel for a cinematic image, I think we can add more details. Something like, now I've got this image made from ChatGPT, and let's see how this image works. As you can see, there are a lot of elements in this image. We'll keep the model same, the aspect ratio same, and let's see. So this is the image. And I think if you compare both, I think this looks nice, but this has more, I think, cinematic feel. So this is the thing about prompting. Like, the more context you give a model, the more details you can provide. There are more chances of you getting what you exactly want. So we'll now see how video works in Adobe Firefly. It's very similar. You go to the Generate Video tab, 2.5 Turbo. First frame will be this. The prompt is here. A zoom in shot of the man sitting in the cafe. He's thinking and then starts writing. We want widescreen, and let's see how it goes. You can also create videos with just text. This is one example that I made. There was no reference image, no starting and ending point. The same text, same prompt. A zoom in shot of a man sitting in the cafe. He's thinking and then starts writing. And this is how it looks. When you're making videos, you can go either from image to video. You put in a reference image and animate it. Or if you want, you can animate through text. You just write a prompt and you choose the model, and it will generate a video for you. So the video is ready. Let's take a look. Pretty neat. So the camera is zooming in, the man is thinking, and then he starts writing. Done. So that was video generation for you, both image to video and text to video. Now let's have a quick look at the audio features of Adobe Firefly. So this is how it looks like. You have a couple of features. You can generate soundtrack, speech, translate audio, text to avatar, sound effects, and enhance speech. For our purposes, we'll be generating a soundtrack. And when you open that, this is the interface that you can see. You can actually describe the mood of your music, of your background track that you want. You can even upload a video and will suggest some soundtracks for that video. You have the vibe over here, the style you're looking for, the purpose of the video, energy, low, medium, high, tempo, also the duration, right? It tells you how many credits will that use. So this is how you can make music inside of Adobe Firefly completely royalty free, right? So that's Adobe Firefly for you. Image, video, audio, all in one tool. And we are going to use every bit of it to make a cinematic film, a teaser of sorts. Every frame generated inside Adobe Firefly. In the next episode, we start building the actual world. So stay tuned and follow for more.